Do you want to speak English like a native American, but nothing seems to work? What if I told you that AI can now help you fix your accent instantly? Welcome to the future of English speaking practice. This is your complete guide to AI-powered American accent training, and how you can use it to speak more fluently, right from your home. Let's get started. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone just trying to fit in while living in the US, your accent affects how clearly you're understood. But don't worry, a perfect accent is not the goal. A clear, confident, and natural American sound is. And with the help of AI, this is now easier than ever before. AI accent tools use advanced speech recognition to analyze your voice, highlight mistakes, and show you exactly how to improve. Some even compare your sound with a native speaker instantly, and guide you to correct it. This is a game changer for learners who struggle with self-practice. Checkmark 1. Elsa Speak, one of the most popular AI pronunciation apps. It listens, scores your accent, and gives real-time feedback. Greater than checkmark 2. Google Recorder Plus AI Summary. Record yourself speaking and see how AI transcribes your words. You can even spot where your pronunciation caused errors. Greater than checkmark 3. 11 Labs Voice Cloning. Not for beginners, but advanced learners can hear their own voice with a perfect American accent, then practice by matching it. Traditional, repeat after me, videos like this one are great, but they don't always tell you what you're doing wrong. That's where AI shines. It can pinpoint your exact trouble spots, like mispronounced R sounds, wrong intonation, or missing linking. Use both methods together for best results. First, repeat after native examples. Then record and check yourself using AI tools. Checkmark Pros. Instant feedback. Personal learning pace. Builds confidence without embarrassment. Greater than crossmark Cons. Some tools require payment. Can't replace a real coach or conversation partner. May miss cultural context or tone. Still, it's an amazing support tool in your journey. In the next few years, we'll likely see AI tutors that can converse in real time, accent correction glasses or earbuds, personalized feedback based on your voice history. Learning to speak like a native won't need a classroom anymore, it'll just need your phone and a goal. So, what are you waiting for? Try out any of these tools today and record your progress every week. Practice consistently, get feedback, and stay motivated. Bullseye! If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and comment below. Which tool will you try first? See you in the next lesson.